Rumors had circulated last year that Samsung would equip the Galaxy S23 with satellite connectivity for emergency calling and messaging, much like the iPhone 14. However, this didn't come to fruition, leaving the Galaxy S23 without satellite connectivity for emergency services. Reports indicate that Samsung intends to introduce satellite connectivity to its phones in the coming year. According to TechRev, in an interview with Yonhap News, Lee Jong-ho, South Korea's Minister of Science and ICT, suggested that domestic smartphone brands are planning to launch a service enabling data transmission between 5G phones and satellites next year. Given Samsung's prominent status as the primary smartphone brand in South Korea following LG's exit from the market, it is widely anticipated that Samsung will adopt satellite connectivity in its phones in the near future. Lee Jong-ho stated in the interview, "While I cannot provide a definitive statement, I am aware that the domestic industry is contemplating the commercialization of this service in the upcoming year, expecting the establishment of a satellite communication standard." The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, featured in Samsung's premium phones released this year, can establish connections with low Earth orbit (LEO) satellites to facilitate emergency calling and messaging. Nonetheless, both the Galaxy S23 and the Galaxy Z Flip 5, along with the Galaxy Z Fold 5, lack this satellite connectivity feature. Samsung previously explained that the satellite connectivity ecosystem is not yet sufficiently mature. Thus, they would await its development before incorporating the feature. Reports suggest that Samsung is collaborating with Iridium Communications, a company with a low Earth orbit satellite network for emergency communications. Next year, it is anticipated that the company will unveil the Galaxy S24 during the first quarter. The Galaxy S24 lineup, consisting of the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra, is projected to release in two versions, one powered by the Exynos 2400 chip and the other by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. Should the Galaxy S24 feature satellite connectivity, even the Exynos 2400 variant would require hardware-level integration for the feature. Samsung has developed two-way satellite connectivity for Exynos chips, a technology that could potentially be adopted in the Galaxy S24. Presently, satellite connectivity is exclusive to Huawei phones within the Android ecosystem. Two-way satellite connectivity for emergency communication allows phones to establish connections with low Earth orbit satellites for sending calls and messages in areas lacking mobile network coverage. This functionality can prove invaluable in scenarios where users are stranded without cellular connectivity, facilitating rescue efforts or medical assistance. Future advancements might even enable standard phones to possess two-way satellite communication without additional hardware, an innovation that was tested on the Galaxy S22. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. I'll always see you in the next video. Peace out.